The 52-inch Beckford is a designer ceiling fan with a color-changing light. The fan is rated for indoor use only and is remote control operated. The 52-inch blade span is best suited for large rooms that are between 12 feet by 12 feet and 18 feet by 18 feet. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings or ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, twist off the canopy bottom cover. Remove the non-slotted canopy mounting screw. Loosen the remaining slotted screw. Twist the canopy and remove the mounting bracket. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. On the hanger ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the exposed cross pin. Feed the motor wires through the down rod and insert it into the motor's collar. Align the holes and insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. If you are using an extended length down rod, an optional wire extender is included. Slide the coupling cover, canopy ring, and canopy onto the down rod. Carefully reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to insert the cross pin and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. At the ceiling box, loosen the 2 screws. Align and slide the mounting bracket over the screws and tighten them securely. Carefully bring the fan up to the ceiling and seat the hanger ball in the mounting bracket. Turn the fan to align the groove in the ball with the tab on the bracket. To avoid interference from other fans or devices, you can set the frequency code in the remote and the receiver. Remove the rubber cover on the receiver to access the dip switches. Flip the dip switches to create a new and unique code. Access the battery compartment of the remote and duplicate the code. The dip switch codes must match or the fan will not function. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling box. Slide the receiver into the mounting bracket with the flat side facing up. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, down rod, and mounting bracket together with a wire nut. Combine the white wire from the receiver with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black wire from the receiver with the hot wire from the outlet box. Connect the 3-pin wire connector from the receiver with the connector from the motor. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Carefully tuck the connections up towards the ceiling box. Lift the canopy over the canopy mounting bracket screw and twist into place. Insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Slide the canopy bottom cover over the screws and twist to lock into place. Prepare a reversible blade and a blade medallion. Align the medallion over the holes on the desired side of the blade. Align the blade arm over the holes on the opposite side of the blade. Partially insert 3 blade attachment screws. Then tighten all screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Bring the blade assembly up to the fan and align it with the holes underneath the motor. Tighten the pre-assembled blade arm screw securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blade assemblies. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan. Snap the wire connection plugs from the LED and motor together. Lift the LED light kit into the mounting plate under the motor. Press and turn until snug. Safely restore power at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. On the remote, install the included battery to begin using the fan. Press the power button to toggle the fan and light on or off. Press the fan speed button to cycle through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. Press the light button to turn the light on or off. Hold the button to cycle through the different brightness settings. Press the correlated color temperature button to cycle through the 3 color temperature options. The light can be set to 3000K soft white, 4000K bright white, and 5000K daylight. With the fan turned off, use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and other assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.